The mother was blank when she could not find her child in the mall. The mother was blank when she could not find her child in the mall. Is it A, distract, B, distract, C, distraught, or D, distraction? Again, the mother was blank when she could not find her child in the mall. A, distract, B, distract, C, distraught, or D, distraction? Rowell A. The mother was distraught when she could not find her child in the mall. Again, if you have plenty of time in answering your verbal ability, pwede niyong i-fill in the blanks, ha? Distract. Oh my God. The mother was blank when she could not find her child in the mall. Mhm. Chris says C. Batin, Angel, Maria, Ann, Vivi, A. Rovelyn C. Jayanalyn, Bog Akon. Again, basahin po. I-fill natin in the blanks. Hindi ko sinasabi na pag maganda pakinggan ay yun na ang tamang sagot. But, most of the time, if it's pleasant to the ears, siya yung lumalabas talagang grammatically correct siya. Most of the time not all of the time. Ninyo C, Marjon, Merang A, Erickson C, Aram B, Raymark A, Brandick C, Rowell, distract ba? Yung letter B? Si Yun wouldn't be. Perry says C. Riami C. Distraught. Citadel A. The mother was blank. Ano ba yung understanding natin sa distract? Oh, tabula rasa C. The mother was blank when she could not find her child in the mall. Angel A. Ano ba ang dinidescribe ng sentence na ito? What is the sentence describing? An emotional state of whom? The mother. State siya, di ba? Josefa. Good evening, Coach Risa. Bakit na-late ka? Na-late ka ba, Josefa? Hi, good evening. Ate Rain C. Ate Rain C. Rivi C. Hindi kasi ako familiar sa C. That's the problem. If we are exposed to unfamiliar words, we tend to we tend to have this the same feeling as the mother. Aram, letter C po. Again ang i-consider nyo sa pagmo-monitor ng score nyo, yung first letter na kinoment nyo. Letter C po, Josephine B, June Ray C. The sentence describes the emotional state of the mother after losing sight of her child. June Ray C, Sherry C, Roel, Sian, Coach. Okay. Marinel C. Is it A, distract, B, distract, C, distraught, D, destruction? Same, maliban sa distract, di na ako familiar sa iba. That's Marco. Marinel C. Shall we reveal the correct answer for number 5? Cecil C. Joval B. Sif B. Emotional state of the mother, Let's reveal the answer. Ayan. So for those who answer letter C, you got it right. Very good. Why letter C? Tulad ng sinabi ko, we are right after the mental state, no? The emotional state of the mother. Kasi, anong nangyari ba? Hindi mo makita yung anak mo eh. Pag sinabing distraught, you may include this in your pool of words, in your vocabulary. 'Di ba? Pag distraught, you are very worried. You are upset. You are emotionally disturbed. That's why the mother was distraught. No? Ikaw ba naman, di mo makita yung anak mo? Now you tell me, bakit mali yung other choices, A, B, and D? Kasi, itong distract nyo na letter A, it's a verb. Meaning, da-divert yung attention, di ba? Yung dumaan sa bahay namin, there's a certain stranger and he's distracting me. Yun yun. Divert attention. Then yung letter B na distract, incorrect word form yun, di ba? Anong proper word? Yung destroy. Destroy yan eh. Then definitely, the distraction, ruining. No. Overwhelmed by emotions, nalilito na ako ngayon, coach. Again, just a piece of advice, you include this in your pool of words, in your daily vocabs, the vocabs that you are writing, ha? Perhaps you may also include its synonyms, its antonym. Okay? Para mas mabilis magkaroon ng retention, isinusulat natin para hindi nakakalimutan. Okay? Again, with distraught, commonly used for someone na nagpapanik, emotionally shaken, tulad nga kanina sabi niya, o deeply worried, ha? Yun yung naramdaman ng magulang, nag-worry siya, nagpanic siya, at hindi makita yung anak, kaya worried, nervous according to Cecil.